Hello guys, Game Changers back again, showing you an updated version of the Pokemon Quest hack where you take 0 to 1 damage off enemies. So as I just said, I'm going to be showing you how to get Pokemon Quest hacked app from Tweakbox, one of the most legit third-party application installers / as they call them, city-alts. I haven't made a video on Tweakbox for a long time, but it did used to be my main source for all this, so I will be making a lot more on it in the next couple of weeks, just because I've been using Panda Helper and App Pally a lot, so I'm happy to be going back to this. So basically you just want to do what I'm doing pretty much, and you want to exit the ad. If you do misclick and don't click the X spot on, it will take you to the website like it did to me. You just want to come back to the app and exit the ad again. Then you want to go to the hacked game sections, search in the top POK, only because you'd have to put the accent on top of the E. But there's two different ones. One of them's sorry about that guys. One of them's a bit harder to use because it's all about the values within the game, so the more money and candy you get, you can change it, kind of like when people use Game Jam. But this is the easiest one. As you can see, it makes weak enemies and disarm them enemies. That means they ain't going to be as strong, and they do pretty much just 1 damage to you when you're fighting them. So each time you get hit, you'll only take 1 health away from you rather than what they would normally take. But that's pretty much it. That's all I need to talk about. So I'm going to stop talking here. I'm going to let the music play a bit louder, and you'll see when we actually start playing the game, once it's downloaded, that I only take 1 damage. So enjoy.
Yeah, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game, bitch, I'm an animal. Eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. Eyebrows on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up, this shit is for me. Me, this shit is for me. Bitch, verbatim, working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Yeah. Right now. On my grind all day, rap so good, but I get so paid. I ain't from the hood, but I've had bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed, so you could sell loud and sound so motherfucking
goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these lines. Schooling good grades where I fell behind. Picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check, swagging out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.
Right now. Right now. Right now. Yo. Right now. Right now.